A major global crisis is threatening all three pillars of pension systems. The house is on fire and about to collapse. The sustainability of the first pillar, made of public social security benefits, is heavily compromised by demographic imbalances, which are driven by rising life expectancy levels. In parallel, a major shift from defined benefit to defined contribution occupational pension schemes is taking place within the second pillar. This shift implies a massive transfer of retirement risks from corporations to individuals. Even with additional benefits from personal retirement savings, the so-called third pillar, a large number of individuals will fail to achieve adequate levels of replacement income in retirement. Neither money market nor bond market instruments are safe investments in a retirement planning context. Only a cost of living adjusted annuity can be regarded as a true risk-free asset for an individual preparing for retirement. So, are annuities suitable retirement products? While offering security in retirement, annuities suffer from a number of fatal flaws, including a severe lack of flexibility. Annuities are essentially irreversible investment decisions with no ability to transfer wealth to heirs. As Benjamin Franklin once said, "Security without liberty is prison." Investment products may seem attractive alternatives to annuities because they offer full flexibility. Freedom of choice in terms of retirement investment options is certainly attractive, but it leaves individuals lost in a jungle of investment products, including balanced funds, capital guarantee funds, drawdown funds, and target date funds, which have a decreased allocation to stocks when approaching retirement. However, none of these products can secure beneficiaries' objectives in terms of replacement income in retirement. So the question is this: how can we get out of the impasse of a choice between security with no flexibility with annuities and flexibility without security with investment products such as target date funds? Academic research actually suggests that the principles of goal-based investing can be used in the design of a new generation of dedicated retirement solutions, which combine flexibility and safety with respect to the objective of generating replacement income. The key insight behind such Flexicure retirement solutions is that one does not have to use costly and irreversible annuity products to generate cost of living adjusted replacement income in early retirement. To finance consumption needs for, say, the first 20 years in retirement, one can purchase a suitably designed portfolio of fixed income securities. This portfolio, known as a retirement goal hedging bond portfolio, or a retirement bond in short, will deliver the same cash flows as the annuity, but without being irreversible and bearing the same costs. In parallel, a deferred annuity can be purchased to take care of replacement income needs in the late retirement period. The retirement bond can be used to improve multi-asset investment strategies. Consider a standard target date fund invested in equity and a short duration bond portfolio with an equity allocation going down from 60% 20 years before retirement to 20% at retirement. Now, replace the off-the-shelf bond portfolio with the suitably designed retirement bond portfolio and keep the same allocation schedule to construct a new, improved form of target date fund. Using the proper safe retirement bond portfolio allows one to allocate more to equities for a given risk budget, where risk is measured relative to replacement income. This, in turn, translates into substantial improvements in the probability of reaching one's goals of higher levels of replacement income in retirement. For reasonable parameter values, the probability of increasing replacement income by 50% goes from 56% to almost 70% when investing in the improved target date fund. In a recent joint effort, EDEC Risk Institute and the Department of Operations Research and Financial Engineering at Princeton University have teamed up to design a series of indices known as the EDEC Princeton Retirement Goal-Based Investing Indices. These indices can be used as benchmarks for second-generation target date funds, where dedicated risk control mechanisms can be used to reliably cap the annual loss in replacement income at a target level. For more details, visit our websites follow us on Twitter, and use the hashtag #MakeFinanceUsefulAgain.